Medyo malamig guys. So I'm wearing my jacket. Walk of Fame. Look at that. We're in Hollywood. And ano gagawin ko today? Today is our first day. And first thing first, let's go to church. Hanap tayo ng Catholic church. Sa harap ng hostel ko merong metro station. And punta tayo ng Santa Monica. Mayroong ano doon, Catholic church. Let's thank the Lord! Hollywood Highland Metro Rail.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
I'm walking to the church and may nakita akong Manila Philippine barber shop guys. Walking. It's 8 minutes walk from Santa Monica Vermont Station. I'm here at the church, but then it was closed. I don't know. So guys, the church is closed. The gate is closed, but the church is open. And I didn't see anyone in here. How? Paano tayo makapasok? Lord, please open the gate. Hanap ulit tayo. Sana mayroong tao. Lalabas. I'm walking back to the station. Mag-church hunting tayo today guys. Oh, it's alright. It's okay. Hanap tayo ng isang simbahan na bukas. I am back at the metro station. Kailangan ko bumili ng mask. May amoy guys. Alam niyo yung amoy na yung pinagbabawal na gamot? Babalik ako ng Hollywood Highland Station. And then mag-google ulit tayo. Look at the robot on delivery. It's closed. It's closed again. It is closed again. I don't know. The Google says it's open, but when I get there, it's closed. So maybe I'll try again before I left on Friday. I am now at the bus going to Citadel shopping outlets. Sabi ng driver, free daw. It's the shopping in LA. Sana wala tayong Citadel shopping outlet. Ang layo pala from the Union Station. I hope it's worth it. Kain tayo dito. Yay! Oh! Nakita ko na. Oh my goodness! Shopping, shopping! First day pa lang, shopping na. Ang ano pa naman ngayon, ang conversion is very bad. $1 is, I think, 64 cents Australian. Nandito na tayo. Nandito na tayo. Okay. Here. See it? Yeah. Bibili tayo ng 1 bag, 1 sneakers, 1 wallet, 1 jumper. The rest, bahala na si Lord. Gutom ako, gutom. Hanap tayo ng makainan. $2, $4, $6. Punta tayo dun. Old Navy. Gusto kong bumili ng something na wala sa Australia. Dun. Punta tayo dun sa Old Navy. 30 to 50% off for almost everything. May nabili na tayo sa Old Navy. Namili ako ng nuggets. I'm hungry. And lemonade. Coats. Tommy Hilfiger, Michael Kors, Ori Bali. Oh, pasok tayo dito, guys. Daming mura. Turkish. 69.
They also have
Hey guys, naulanan ako. It's already 4:30. Naghihintay ako ng bus papuntang Union Station. And then from Union Station, I'm gonna take a metro to Hollywood Highland Station where my hostel is. Dito ko sa highway. Look at that. So while naghihintay tayo ng bus, let's do a quick haul. First, wallet. Red wallet from Fossil. I love this. And I bought my husband a watch. Oops. Sana hindi mahulog. Ito guys. Tinitingnan ko yung bus. And the next one, sorry, maingay. Another wallet from Kate Spade. And oops. Taran! Also from Kate Spade. And bumili ako ng earrings, necklace. Oops. Try natin. Ano lang to guys? $39 each. Meron pa. Yung necklace is $49. I have another one. I like yung mga studs earring. And what else did I buy? Sarado natin. And bumili ako ng leggings. From Hanes. Another leggings from Old Navy. And what else? Makeup remover from Neutrogena. That's it. That's it. May bukas pa. Try natin. Nahanap ko yung yung champion na shop. Hindi ko makita. Ang laki kasi guys. Ang haba. Malapit siya. Hindi ko naikot na lahat. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Or maybe tonight. I try to go out tonight. Malapit lang sa hostel. Bye!